Today we'll be making an easy egg muffin recipe. The ingredients that you will need include 6 large eggs, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, any vegetables or meats that you want. It can be a mixture of vegetables and meats as well. I used broccoli, spinach, tomato, onion, sweet potato, and sausage. For a topping, you will need 1/4 of a cup of shredded Gouda cheese or cheddar. Step 1. You're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Lightly grease a pan with cooking spray of your choice and let it heat up. Step 3. Place the sausage or any other kind of meat of your choice into the pan and cook. Now that your sausage is caramelized, you can empty it into a bowl and set it with the rest of your ingredients. Step 4. Dice any vegetables of your choice to fill 3 muffin cavities with 1 to 2 tablespoons of filling. Step 5. Crack 6 eggs into a bowl. Season with salt and pepper or any other seasonings of your choice and whisk. Step 6. Add Parmesan cheese into your whisked egg mixture. Put it into a measuring cup so you can easily pour your egg mixture into the muffin pan. Step 7. Lightly grease a muffin tin with cooking spray. Put 1 to 2 tablespoons of your choice in fillings into each muffin cavity. Pour the egg base into the muffin cavities until they are 2/3 of the way full, then sprinkle a small amount of Gouda or cheddar cheese on top of each egg muffin. Step 9. Bake at 350 degrees for 20 minutes or until the centers are baked through. You can stick a toothpick into the center to see if they are completely baked. Step 10. Once cooled, serve immediately or wrap each egg muffin in a plastic wrap and store in the freezer. Enjoy!